guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new here, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. Last year in October, I did a series on mental health. I posted 4 or 5 videos on mental health. I will link them down in the description box below, where I basically talked about certain aspects of mental health and the purpose of those videos was to raise a little more awareness about mental health and what it is and everything. So this year also I thought let's continue the tradition and do another series on mental health. The reason I've chosen October to do this is because 10th October is the World Mental Health Awareness Day, and I do want to kind of try and contribute about it, and mental health awareness is exactly what I would be talking about today. This is the first video in the series and it's going to be a little light and it's not exactly related to mental health as such, but the reason that I basically wanted to speak about this is for the last 4 months a lot has been said about mental health in our country. A lot of events have happened, a lot of statements have been passed, a lot of things have happened basically, and one very strong narrative has been that common people and influencers, creators, and in general just people, especially on social media, they should not be talking about mental health because to talk about mental health you should have a certain responsibility and all of that. While I do agree to the fact that you should have some knowledge, you should read up about it and have certain responsibility when you're talking about mental health, at the same time I don't completely agree to the fact that normal people should not be talking about mental health, and it's just something that the therapists and the professionals should do. Now what's very important here is to remember that when we are talking about mental health, we must take certain responsibility and to not spread out random facts which are so untrue. We should not do our research based off on Wikipedia, and we don't necessarily have to offer out services or try and help anyone. But the reason why everyone, that is you, me, creators, bloggers, everyone everywhere should try and have a conversation about mental health is because normalizing the importance of mental health and normalizing having mental health issues is supremely important, and this normalization can be brought about only and only by conversation. I don't think there is any other way to normalize mental health without having open conversations about it. And especially we live in a society where most people are very afraid to open up that they have issues, and in such a place bringing the importance on mental health is very difficult, but it is not impossible, and the easiest way is, it is not impossible, it can be done, but for that conversation is supremely important. There is so much stigma, such a huge taboo around the topic and conversation of mental health. Every sort of negative word is used for people who talk about mental health, who come up and say that they have mental health issues, whereas people who do have mental health issues, what they need is a kind and accepting environment, and they usually get the exact opposite of that. People think it's shameful to have mental health issues. People think it's shameful to be aware about mental health. People think it's shameful to care about mental health. It's weak, it's stupid, whereas it is absolutely not. It is completely normal and very important in fact, and that's why it's that is why having a conversation about mental health is so important, because only when we are able to have a conversation about it will we be able to accept that mental health and mental health issues exist, and then slowly we can sort of start to remove the stigma that is there around mental health. The thing is, you and me, we don't have to offer counseling services. We can't do that. But we should be a little more empathetic towards them. We should try and understand what people are going through them. And when we have honest and open conversations about mental health, not only are we raising awareness about it, but we are also sort of establishing a trust between you and me, that if you are having any issue, you are going through something, you can always come up to me and I will not be judgmental about it. I will not think that you are weak or stupid or anything. I will try and understand you, and that is exactly why all of us, each and every one of us, and especially people who have some sort of influence over people, need to talk about mental health. And even more important than talking about mental health on social media, it is supremely important to talk about the importance of mental health one-on-one, when you're with people, with your family, with your friends, see, the friends still sort of have an outlet. People our generation are somewhat aware. I'm not saying that our generation just wholeheartedly accepts everyone. That is not true at all. But we still have a little more awareness about mental health that in general maybe a generation before us has. And that is why having a conversation with them is also important, because a lot of time, like our parents and our maybe uncles, aunts, they also are suffering. They also have mental health issues, but they are not even aware about it. And they are suffering in silence because they don't want to be termed as pagal or as someone जिससे दूर रहना चाहिए या ऐसा कुछ. They don't want that sort of shame. Like, no one wants to be shamed like that, which our Indian families are great at doing. That is why when you're talking about mental health, you are creating sort of a situation within your home, within your family, that if tomorrow any of you have an issue, you will have the sort of trust to come up and be like, what, I think I'm going through something, so I will like to maybe try out therapy or seek professional help or anything, or maybe want a kinder environment for a while. And the reason why mental health awareness is very important is not just for people who have mental health issues. It is also for people in general, because just as all of us need to work on our physical immunity and on our health, we also need to work on our mental health, so that tomorrow if something happens, you have the strength to sort of face that. And in case you are unable to face that all by yourself, you can also seek help, and it is completely normal. There are so many misconceptions that people have regarding mental health, that mental health is something that the millennial kids and the Gen Y have. That is so not true. There are so many adults, especially who are from the older generation, they have so many issues regarding mental health. Many of them are in severe depression, but they don't even realize it. Especially with the kind of society that we live in, most children, when they try and approach their parents and tell them that I am having certain issues, they are termed as you are just seeking attention, this is just an excuse for you to avoid studies. And at the same time, there's things like, they have everything in this world, what do they have to be depressed? They have so much money, they're so successful, they have such a loving family. The point is, anyone can have mental health issues, and that is why normalizing it, making everyone aware about it, is very important. For example, let's assume I have fever, okay? No one is going, and I tell someone that, what, I had a fever last week. No one is going to come up and be like, why do you have a fever? You have everything going in your life. Why do you have a fever? How did you have a fever? Obviously, they can't say that, right? General people, middle class people, normal people, we all have mental health issues. We all can have mental health issues. And again, there is this thing that, ye sab ameeron ke chochle hain, that people who have a lot of money, they also have a lot of time, they don't work hard enough, so their mind is creating such issues, which is again not true, because we should look at the number of suicides that farmers have. It's just that there is not enough awareness about the fact. With people coming from a little humble backgrounds, they don't have that much awareness about the fact that they can seek help. And at the same time, therapy is kind of expensive. It's not, that is why it seems like they don't have the mental health issues, which is so not true. And this is something that I got to know very recently, that actually there are therapists available for farmers. It's a program started by the government of India. I will search about the details and leave that down in the description box. So if you do know of anyone who lives in a rural area or is, say, a farmer, and if you can kind of spread the word further towards them, then please do that. And again, even on social media, when you're posting a story that says maybe mental health matters, or it's okay to not be okay, you are again telling the people who watch that story that it is completely fine. That is why I don't agree to the narrative that normal people should not be talking about mental health and not try to spread awareness about it, because just professionals and only therapists will not be able to conquer the whole world, because mental health issues exist everywhere, in every strata of the society, and with everyone. So to put all the responsibility of talking and creating awareness about mental health on only just 1% of people seems really unfair to me. But at the same time, I do agree that if you and me are talking about mental health, we should be very responsible about it. We should not state facts that are not true, and we should kind of take care of what we are saying. But at the same time, we should still have conversations about it and normalize that it exists, so that if tomorrow someone needs to come up and be like, I might have this issue, they don't hesitate, they don't feel like they are disappointing or they are weak or they are attention seeking and all of that. When we are putting this out there that it's okay to not be okay, that mental health matters, that if you're going through something, it is completely normal and fine to take help, to seek professional help, we are also telling them that it's okay what you're feeling, your feelings are valid, you're allowed to have these feelings, you're allowed to feel depressed, you're allowed to feel anxious. Whatever feelings that you're going through, it's not something that you have just made up in your mind. These are real, and you are not being weak or stupid if you have these feelings, and it's fine to have these feelings. You will work through it, you will heal from it will get better. With any problem in this world, the first step to solving that problem is acknowledging that the problem exists, and that is what we need to do in this case as well. So you, me, everyone, all of us should talk about mental health, should have conversations about mental health, should raise awareness about mental health, and we should do that as responsibly as we can, and we should probably not offer help, but we should still work towards create a kind and empathetic environment, so that journey for that individual, for the individuals who have issues, kind of becomes easier. That is, when we have a loving environment, when we have a more accepting and understanding environment, that journey becomes much easier. So that was all I had to say for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to leave a like, drop in the comments and let me know what you thought of this video, and please do share this video with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For the whole month of October, I will be posting videos on mental health and mental health awareness on Mondays. So subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for that, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you know when I drop a new video. I hope we can keep the conversation around mental health going. I will see you next week. Till then, bye bye, take care, and stay safe, stay happy, stay at home please.